Why do you have to close your eyes?
Because the sun will hit our eyes.
Oh, go on your belly, Caleb.
Ow.
Okay.
Do it like a penguin.
Good job. Why don't you go ahead and do it down? Go down on your belly now, like Superman.
Like this, okay? Like you're going down the snow mountain like a penguin.
Ready? Go. Oh, Caleb!
Get under the car!
Get out from under the car. That is not good.
Yeah, I can go under the car.
No, that's not good. Okay, why don't you skateboard the right way? I want to get you on camera. Okay, well, don't go towards the car.
Set the other ball down so you can catch the ball.
No, don't go sideways. You can, Angel, but not you, Caleb. Oh, don't fall. You don't have a helmet yet. Be careful. Yeah, okay. Go ahead.